Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. Firstly, open any app, like Play Store. Then click Home button and tap on this button with 3 lines. After that, tap on the icon of an app, select Open in pop-up view, and as you can see, now I can use my Google Play Store in this little window over here. If you wish to move it, hold this blue line over here and place it whenever you want to. Then you can, for example, click on the other app and use this one as an overlay. If you want to go back, click Home button, tap on this button with 3 lines again and close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!